Hi, I'm Matthew from OpenResty Inc. Today, we will demonstrate how to set up a reverse proxy in OpenResty Edge for TCP connections. Let's go to the OpenResty Edge's admin web console. It is our sample deployment of the console. Every user has their local deployment. This time, we are going to create an application of type stream. Let's enter the Stream Applications page first. Click this button to create a new application. We see two types of stream applications, SNI proxy and TCP. Our topic today is TCP applications. SNI proxy applications will get covered in another tutorial. Select the type TCP. We need to specify a port for this application. First, we need to add this port to this partition. Click to edit the partition default. Click the button to add ports. We see a new line in the list. Enter 3307 as the port number. Click to select type TCP. Click the Save button to save it. You can see that the new port has been successfully added to the default partition. Changes are automatically released while being saved. Here you see the synchronization status. Close this panel. Enter the port we just added to the default partition. Then click to create this application. Go to the Upstream page. Create a new upstream for our backend server. We give this upstream a name, say, TCP backend. Here we need the backend server's IP address. We've already prepared a MySQL server at this IP address. We connect to this MySQL server. Type the password. As you see, the server is accessible. We can now fill out the host field for the backend server. Enter port number 3307. We may add more servers to this upstream in the future. Click to save this upstream. We can see this TCP backend upstream is already there. Now let's create a new page rule to use this upstream. Create a new page rule. Let's add a proxy target here. Select the upstream that we just created. There are several balancing policies to choose from. Our upstream has only one server. So the balancing policy does not matter here. We just keep the default round-robin policy. Create this page rule. We can see the newly created proxy page rule in the page rule list. The last step is to make a new configuration release. It will push out our pending changes to all our gateway servers. Let's click on this button to make a new release. Ship it. Now it is fully synchronized. As we can see, this sample deployment has 14 servers in the gateway network. We do incremental config synchronization across the whole network. We live update config on the request level. None of the application level configuration changes require server reload, restart, or binary upgrade. So it is very scalable even when you have many different users making frequent releases. We can also check all the gateway servers grouped by clusters. We have a node in the United States with an IP address ending with 226. We will test the proxy that we just added using this node. Click to copy the IP address of this server. We connect to the MySQL server on the upstream backend using port 3307. The host is the Edge node server that we just saw with the IP address ending with 226. Now give the user and database names and execute the select command. Type the password. It works as expected. The server is accessible, just like accessing the backend server directly. It is what I would like to demonstrate today.